What's up guys, Gadget Pinoy here. So this tutorial will walk you through the complete process of purchasing and activating a Microsoft Office 2016 Professional Plus product key from the KeysFan website. You'll have the full Office suite like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and many more up and running on your PC in just a few steps. So step 1, visit keysfan.com and search for Office 2016 Professional Plus. Choose the license you need, typically the one PC version, and click to add it to your shopping cart. Proceed to the checkout page. I have a special coupon code for you guys to use. Enter GPI62 to get a 62% discount. Select your preferred payment method and finalize the purchase. Wait a few minutes for the confirmation email. KeysFan will send the product key and the official download link to the email address used for the purchase. Be sure to check your spam/junk folder. Use the official download link provided in the KeysFan email to download the Office 2016 Professional Plus setup file to your computer. Open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Redemption page, office.com/setup. Sign in with the Microsoft account you want to associate the license with. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one. Enter the 25-character product key you received from KeysFan. Make sure to enter the key without hyphens. Follow any final prompts to link the license to your Microsoft account. Open any Office application like Word or Excel. The software will detect the license linked to your Microsoft account, and your Office 2016 Professional Plus suite will now be fully activated and ready to use. And that's it guys, you are now fully activated. And if you are interested to buy a key, just click the link in the description below. Peace out everybody.